In this tutorial, we'll learn how to install Homebrew on your system step by step. Homebrew is a powerful package manager for macOS and Linux that makes it easy to install, update, and manage software directly from the command line. First, open your preferred web browser, such as Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. In the address bar at the top of the browser window, type Homebrew and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official Homebrew website, usually listed as Homebrew, the missing package manager for macOS or Linux. Click on the official Homebrew website link to open it. Once you are on the official Homebrew website, look for the installation section on the home page. You will see a command displayed inside a code box. This is the command required to install Homebrew. Click the copy icon next to the command, if available, or manually select the entire command with your mouse and copy it. Next, open the terminal application on your Mac. Paste the Homebrew installation command into the terminal to begin installing. The system may ask for your Mac's administrator password. Type your password and press Enter. Note that the characters will not appear on the screen as you type. This is normal. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. After you press Enter, the terminal will display the installation script details. You will see information about what Homebrew is going to install, including the new directories that will be created on your system. This helps you understand the changes that will be made before continuing. Once the script finishes displaying the details, you will see a prompt asking you to continue. Press Enter to proceed with the installation process. Homebrew will then begin downloading and installing the required files and setting up the necessary directories on your system. Once the installation is complete, the terminal will display a message asking you to run 2 additional commands. These commands are required to add Homebrew to your system's path so that you can use the brew command from anywhere in the terminal. Carefully select and copy the 2 commands shown in the terminal. After running both commands, Homebrew will be properly added to your path. To make sure Homebrew is up to date, run the following command in your terminal: brew update, press Enter. This command updates Homebrew itself and fetches the latest list of available packages, cold formulae and casks. It ensures that you're installing the most recent and secure versions of software. Wait for the update process to finish. Once completed, Homebrew will let you know if everything is already up to date or if any updates were applied. To check which version of Homebrew is installed on your system, run the following command in your terminal: brew version, then press Enter. If Homebrew is installed correctly, the terminal will display the current Homebrew version number, along with the version of Homebrew's core components. If you see a command not found message, it means Homebrew has not been added to your path correctly, and you may need to repeat the previous step where you added it to your path. You have now successfully installed Homebrew. With Homebrew installed, you can easily manage software on your Mac. You can install command line tools, macOS applications, and keep them updated effortlessly. Homebrew simplifies your workflow by letting you install and manage packages with just a few terminal commands, saving time and avoiding manual downloads.